Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. Today we will start with the mass media topic. It's under communication unit only and mass media and society. Nowadays it's very important the role of mass media. So we will start the mass media and the society. Okay, so first of all, what is mass media? We will see that. Okay, media is the reflection of our society, right? We are watching TV, we are listening radio and other FM stations, and we are reading newspaper. These all are the medias, and it depicts what and how society works. ओके हम लोग कैसे पता चलते हैं ये क्या हो रही है बाहर और वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रही है, इंडिया में क्या हो रही है. वी आर सिटिंग इन केरला और वी आर सिटिंग इन अदर एरियाज ऑफ इंडिया और इन दिल्ली वी आर यू आर सिटिंग you will get the news from south side of India. How it will work? It's through media only, right? Media, either it is printed, electronic, or the web. It is the only medium which helps in making people informed. We will get all the information through this media. It also helps in entertaining the public, educate and make people aware of the current happening. Okay, so media is also different, different type of, not only about the current affairs or current situations. We will get education news also, we will get entertainment news also, and other areas of society related news also we will get through medias. There are different media involved in the process of mass communication, and they reach every corner of the world and are very powerful. They invade even the privacy of our bedroom, right? They inform, educate, entertain and persuade. They also help in the transmission of culture and perform the job of surveillance of society. They are the mass media. The major function of mass communication are that it informs, enrich, educates and entertain. Social media is becoming one of the most popular and most accessed media of communication these days. On social medias like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, these all are the social medias. All the marketing and all the information we will get through social medias. Social media has brought different people from different geographical areas on one platform on which they can share their feelings, ideas, emotions, information and much more. And with the advancement of science and technology, the world has come close to each other. Today, people don't have to wait for the dissemination process, but the condition is such that every social media user has become a source of information on their own. If I have one experience, if I have knowledge about this, I am sharing my YouTube lecture. That is the form of social media only. I am sharing my knowledge with you guys. You are watching my videos, you will get my knowledge, and if you replay or you will ask some doubt or you will just make some correction in my videos, that is your side knowledge that you are passing through to me. Okay, that is the thing in social media. So we can exchange our informations or knowledge through this platform. Okay, and the daily news and views to which the social media user come across to cover a wide range of topic. These topic or subject are related to the happening of our surrounding. People can show emotions through the list of emotions or even comments accordingly. The social media act as an umbrella that constitutes a variety of interesting features that have our life very easier. Features of tagging friends, location sharing, photo and video uploads, message chatting, video calling, searching friends, etc. have made our life more engaging. And first of all, what is the objective of this media, mass media? To understand the meaning of mass communication and to discuss the elements involved in mass communication, to study the importance of mass communication, to study the features of different media of mass communication, to know the need of mass communication. That is the objective of this unit or this chapter. Okay, and what is mass communication and mass media? outside the realm of interpersonal communication exists another form of communication. This is another we already discussed the communication, and this is another form of communication only, which involves communication with the mass audience, and hence the name mass communication, and the channel through which this kind of communication take place are referred to as a mass media. Because it's a name came mass, because we can't count the numbers of the communicators or senders, because that is a mass, all over the world is covering this media. Mass communication is the term used to describe the academic study of various means by which individual and entities relay information to large segments of the population all at once through mass media. Both the mass communication and mass media are generally considered synonymous for the sake of convenience. Okay, the media through which message are being transmitted include radio, TV, newspaper, magazine, film records, tape records, and video cassette records, internet, etc., and required large organizations and electronic devices to put across the message. Mass communication can also be defined as a process whereby mass produced message are transmitted to large anonymous and heterogeneous mass of receivers. By mass produced, we mean putting the content or message of mass communication in a form suitable to be distributed to large mass of people. And heterogeneous means the individual member of the mass are from a wide variety of class of the society, means the individual in the mass do not know each other. The source or sender of the message in mass communication does not know the individual member of the mass. Also, the receivers in mass communication are physically separated from each other and share no physical proximity. That is heterogeneous. Okay, so it's a we don't know who is the other end of the our chatting or in Facebook, the of course our close friends also in Facebook, but other friends also we even didn't see directly till now. So that kind of friends are also there. Okay, if you are joining for some classes or something, it's a worldwide seminar you are attending through a social media, so you don't know each other. So that is heterogeneous means. Okay, and what are the elements and the characteristics of mass communication? We require a sender, a message, a channel, and a receiver for communication to occur. Further, there is feedback, which is the response or reaction of the receiver, which come back to the sender through the same or some other channel. Another element which plays an important role in communication is noise or the disturbances. It is observed that the term mass communication must have at least 5 aspects, that is large audience, fairly undifferentiated audience composition, and some form of message reproduction, and rapid distribution and delivery, low cost to the consumers. There is not that much cost. Where you are sitting, you can connect your mass media. The only you needed some internet connection, only 3G or 2G or 5G is coming. So that is only your cost, and you need a smartphone or laptop. So that is a medium you are using for this communication. So there is no traveling charge. You don't want to go somewhere, so no flight tickets, nothing is there. So low cost to the consumers, right? And characteristics of mass communication: direct message towards a relatively large, heterogeneous, and anonymous audience. Message are transmitted publicly, no privacy, and short duration message for immediate consumption. Feedback is indirect, non-existent, or delayed. Cost per exposure per individual is minimum, and the source belonging to organization or institution, and mostly one way. Okay, that is a characteristic of mass communication. It may be we will get a two-way process, but most of the time it is one-way process only. Okay, and What are the types of mass media? Mass media can be classified according to their physical form, the technology involved, and the nature of the communication process. The general classification on this basis is as follows. One is traditional media. The traditional arts and folk arts combine several art forms like dance, music, songs, and theater to attract audience. The performances are spontaneous and most often made on the spot. And print media. What is print media? Print media served as the major means of communication, reaching a wide audience. That is print media. Okay, and major form of print media are newspapers, magazines, and periodicals, books, etc. These are the print medias. Okay, so electronic media. What is electronic media? The history of electronic media start with the invention of cinematography by Lumiere brothers, who conduct the premiere show of cinema in 1895. Later, the radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. Okay, all of you know the Marconi is the inventor of radio. The first radio station was set up in Pittsburgh, that is in New York, and Chicago in the 1920s. Okay, this is just current affairs. You can remember these dates and whatever. Okay, in short, the term electronic media mainly include film, radio, and television. These are the electronic medias. And new media or social media and others. All of you know social media. So nowadays all young generations are connected with the social medias. Internet and world wide web opened up the several new avenue for mass communication, which include email, website, podcast, ebook, blogging, social networking sites, internet protocol, television, internet radio, and the like. These kind of online and digital means of producing, transmitting, and receiving message are called new media. And social media has brought different people from different geographical area on one platform on which they can share their feelings, ideas, emotions, information, and much more. Okay, that is the social media. So this is about just introduction of our social media lecture, and we will let's see in next video, that is functions and what are other use of social media and mass media. Okay, this is a part of communication only. It's a one medium. Mass communication is a one medium or one form of communication only. Okay, hope you understood. Today I'm winding up here. Hope you all are doing well, and be safe in your home. So lockdown is started, and follow all the COVID protocols and be safe. Okay, and study well with this lockdown period. Utilize maximum. Okay, if you liked my video, you'll just like it. If you have any doubts, you can comment on comment box, or otherwise I share my email id itutor.coms@gmail.com. You can write your mail. If any more materials you needed, I will mail you personally, so you can touch with that. Okay, if you like it, like my video and subscribe also. Thank you.